In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating the first cell destruction by HIV after getting entry into the respective human being. For this, let me understand the HIV infection in which way it is happening. HIV after getting entry into the human being, after dominating the neutrophil and macrophage, it enters into the helper T lymphocyte. In the helper T lymphocyte, it makes its own DNA from the RNA with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme. The HIV DNA, after getting incorporation into the helper T lymphocyte DNA, it makes helper T lymphocyte to make plenty of HIV components. After the assembly of many HIV components, the HIV will get away from the helper T lymphocyte. In this way, the HIV is getting duplicated into many number. It damages the helper T lymphocyte. In this way, it is not allowing the helper T lymphocyte support for the defense system. So plenty of other microorganism enters into the human being. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving as a sentence-wise narration to take the NEET notes for future reference. HIV infected cell dies whenever replicated virus that invades the other complementary determinant T cell are produced before entire complementary determinant T cell community is destroyed. When many additional T cells are exposed to the HIV antigen, the virus causes impacted CD4 T cell to release soluble suppressive factor. HIV may prevent major histocompatibility complex gene transcription, impeding the identification and elimination of infected complementary determinant T lymphocyte and shielding them from any residual immune response remnant. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D.